Hello and welcome to the Met Office forecast for the very start of the 2020s. New Year's Day, or should I say New Year's grey for many. There'll be a lot of cloud in the sky, but most places during New Year's Day will be dry. There'll be a few spots of rain, I suspect, during the morning across northern and northwest Scotland. Nothing particularly heavy. Meanwhile, brighter skies for northeast Scotland, a touch of frost in places, just some high cloud here. Low cloud for the west, low cloud in places for Northern Ireland, western parts of England as well as Wales, covering the hills and, again, giving a few spots of drizzle. These are the temperatures on New Year's Day morning. A little higher in many places compared to New Year's Eve evening because of the increase in cloud cover overnight. But where we do have some breaks first thing, a chill in the air. Mind you, we keep a lot of cloud cover going through the day. Grey skies for most, and that cloud will be particularly low for southern counties of England, South Wales, where there'll be some hill fog and mistiness, and a few outbreaks of rain, perhaps into parts of Devon and Cornwall, southern coastal counties of England. A few spots elsewhere of the western hills. Best of any cloud breaks, North Wales, North East England, North East Scotland. And whilst temperatures will be around average for many places, if the wind sufficiently dries out and warms up over the passage of hills, well, in some parts of North East Scotland we could get into the double figures, but there'll be very localised maximum temperatures elsewhere. It's largely single figures. The wind picks up even further into New Year's Day night, and then by Thursday morning we're looking at this system pushing into the northwest of Scotland, turning things fairly unsettled into the far northwest during the early hours of Thursday morning, and the wind reaching gale force around north and west coasts of Scotland, 60, perhaps 70 mile/hour gusts in places, so some lively weather to wake up to here. Elsewhere, a bit more of a breeze compared to the start of New Year's Day. For the first signs of light on Thursday, it looks generally cloudy, but it will be mild because of the breeze and the cloud. There'll be a few breaks in the cloud for eastern parts of England, perhaps, during Thursday, but the most unsettled weather there, northern and western Scotland and Northern Ireland first thing, and then by the afternoon into eastern and southern Scotland, western parts of England, as well as Wales, it turns wet and windy. The rain does move through fairly swiftly, and you can see it starting to peter out a little as it pushes its way southeast. Followed on by blustery showers, staying windy in the northwest and a lot of cloud cover elsewhere, but the rain doesn't reach central and eastern England until after dark. Now, despite the cloudy skies, despite that strong breeze, well, temperatures technically higher compared to Wednesday. We're looking at 9 to 12 degrees or so, but it's not going to feel particularly pleasant given that breeze out there. Into Friday, the rain clears through, colder weather on the way for the second half of the day and a cold start to the weekend. But through the next few days, actually, many places will be dry for much of the time. It's just Thursday, really, that stands out as the unsettled day. And you can follow all the weather this week and into the new year on social media. Happy New Year.